Have you ever noticed how financial markets behave? For long stretches, everything feels calm. Prices move slowly. News is quiet. Hardly anyone pays attention. And then suddenly, markets become intense. Prices jump sharply. Headlines appear everywhere. Everyone starts talking about the market. Why do markets shift between calm and stormy periods? What makes this strange is that the change does not feel evenly spread out. Markets do not alternate randomly between calm and chaos every day. Instead, quiet periods seem to last for a while, and turbulent periods also continue for some time. It feels as if markets move in phases. But if markets are unpredictable, why do similar periods follow one another? If market movements were completely random, we would expect something different. Large and small changes would appear evenly over time. Some days big movements, some days small ones, with no visible grouping. But real market data does not look like that. When economists studied financial data carefully, they noticed a clear pattern. Quiet days were often followed by more quiet days. Active, dramatic days were often followed by continued activity. Markets seem to move in episodes, almost like the weather, several sunny days in a row or storms that last before slowly fading away. One reason lies in how information reaches markets. News does not affect everyone at the same moment. Some investors react immediately. Others take time to interpret events, rethink expectations, and respond later. Because of this, market reactions unfold gradually rather than instantly. Markets are driven by people, not machines alone. Confidence builds slowly. Fear spreads step by step. Uncertainty lingers before fading. When investors become cautious, that mood can persist. When optimism rises, it can influence decisions for days or even weeks. Human emotions give markets momentum. Economists gave this behavior a name: volatility clustering. In simple terms, it means that calm periods tend to group together and periods of strong movement also occur together. Prices may change direction quickly, but the intensity of market activity often lasts longer. So, calm and stormy periods are not accidents. They happen because reactions to information, expectations, and emotions take time to settle. Markets do not restart each day from zero. What happened yesterday continues to influence how people behave today. Markets evolve as an ongoing story rather than isolated moments. And this raises an important question. If yesterday influences today, how do economists include the past when they study markets? How can this idea be expressed mathematically? Before we go deeper into market uncertainty, we first need to understand a simple concept: how the past enters today's analysis. If you have not watched my earlier video on the concept of lag in economics, you can find the link in the description. It builds the foundation for what comes next. Because in financial markets, understanding the past is only the beginning. In our next video, we explore a deeper question. What is the difference between risk and uncertainty? And why does it matter for how markets behave?